Can't you make a 2D battle royale game?
Noob!
So, welcome to the completely original topic which no one has ever made a video on. But hey, that's my content right there. Where was I? Oh yeah, so welcome to the completely original topic which no one has ever made a video on. Since I have been challenged and I want to make something fun, let's make a 2D battle royale game. I had no idea about the things that I should add in my game, so I asked it in a community post. And you guys gave so much information. Like, look at this. Bro, you need to read what I've written there. Since you guys gave some awesome ideas which I don't think are relatable in any way, I opened up a Trello board and wrote the things that I may need to add in my game. And after that, I started with the first thing on the list, player. But only making a player was not enough. I had to make the walking animation for him, so I spent another 1723 seconds making the walking animation. And just like that, I added him in Unity and made him walk. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to tell you that I also made this background. I forgot to record the screen, so I didn't show. I then added a gun in the game, cause I'm making a battle royale game and not a freaking Subway Surfers. By the way, this gun does nothing, it's just for a show off. We now have a player and a gun which does nothing. Now what? If you said use the gun and blast the ass of enemies, then get the fuck out of here. Just kidding, please don't close the video, I need some watch time. We have a player and a gun, so it's quite obvious that the player has to pick up the gun before he can blast the ass out of enemies. Just like your mom does to you when you spill 2 drops of water on the floor. Just like that, the player can now pick up the gun. But you can see that this gun still remains on the ground even after the player picks the gun up, and this is our first problem. I solved that issue right away, but here comes another problem. The player's walking animation suddenly stopped after he picked up the gun. So I had to make a walking animation for this new character again. He now has the walking animation fixed. Let me explain in advance the next thing I made. Suppose the enemy is coming from this way and the character is like this. Does it make sense to shoot a bullet like this? Exactly. So I tried to make the gun point at the mouse cursor, which didn't take 2 hours. Just these 5 lines of code took me 2 hours. After making it, I thought it wasn't looking quite good. I mean, just look at it. What the fuck is this? I tried to limit the rotation of the gun between this and this, but unfortunately I wasn't able to make that. So... But don't you worry, I will add this feature in the next part. I had done quite a bit of work, so I had to update my Trello board. I played this for a few minutes and I felt like the ground was empty. It didn't have anything interesting rather than just a plain green ground, and I thought it was my time to show off my skills. If you think that this sand is just for the show off on the ground, then LOL! Did you really think that I would do such work just for the show off? If you step on the land, then your speed will get reduced to half the amount. Hold up. If you step on the land, then your speed will get reduced to half the amount. And if you get out of here, your speed will get restored. Now I'm going to play a clip and you determine what is missing in the clip. Did you find out? If you said the camera is not following the player, then you have to like the video and subscribe this channel right now. If you didn't say that, then still you have to do it. It's not a request, it's an order. And just like that, the camera now follows the player, just like you follow your cross secretly. It was quite late at night, so I headed to sleep. New day, new ideas, new thoughts, new girlfriends, new energy, but same old fucking game. I woke up at around 10 o'clock. I attended my online classes and here I am at 3 PM. Yesterday I did quite a bit of things and today I don't have much ideas left to do. I tried to make this little bit interesting by adding a tree.
Another one. And another one. And another one.
And you know right why I add new things? Of course, it's just for the show off. These little bastards don't do anything else, so they are just for the show off. The feature that I added yesterday, which is just a few minutes for you, had an issue which I didn't find out yesterday. The camera suddenly stopped following the player after he picked up the gun. Yeah, that's good. Now it's time to make some enemies. How does this enemy look, huh? Well, just assume that it is an enemy. I'll make a proper enemy later. Whoa. Did you really think that this was going to be an online multiplayer game? Do you really think that a 16-year-old kid who has a channel with just 9.8 thousand subscribers, by the way let's make it 10,000, and over that whose channel's monetization is not enabled yet, can afford to pay almost $4,000 per month? Well, if you guys support me by watching my videos regularly, then I may be able to afford that. So subscribe this channel right now. But don't worry, I'm sure that this game will turn out to be amazing if I happen to walk till the end. Just like that, the enemy follows you when you go near him and doesn't follow you when you are far away. Wait. And just like that, the enemy follows you when you go near him and doesn't follow you when you are far away. And this much for this time. I have a lot of ideas yet to implement, but still comment what you think must be added in the game. And make sure to subscribe or else I will come to your house to kidnap your girlfriend, if you have one.